Hi, welcome to Agile Division. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the branch organization in reference to the testing. What is that we do in reference to Agile environment? If we have seen this branch organization from the testing perspective, especially in Agile way of approach, where normally these things will be classified into three different branches, wherein the first one is called current branch statuses. Whatever the current branches of the work, what is that we are performing? All these things are comes under the current part. So the second part about the active part, whatever the active branches are we managing in regular intervals, which normally will be included in it. Followed by this, the third thing is merged one, because merge branches, whenever we are working on application in context to the agile related stuff, wherein these three will be there: current, active, followed by merged branches. Now, these merged branches, whatever we have, normally these branches, we usually connect with the create branch, the first one. Whenever we want to create any kind of branches, wherein first of all, we have to import different automated tests and all that. So using multiple testing tools, whatever we use and all everything. So this importing test, automation tests and all everything is what generally we do first. After that, we need to create manual process, like by preparing some test cases, all that, using different tools like Jira and all everything, by integrating Jiffer as a test case management tool to write all these. Along with this, we need to understand and change the existing test, if there is any, which is existed already in the environment, where we have to be updated the changing the existing test, where we need to identify the kind of differences what it has. At the same time, we need to understand the kind of differences in reference to the history followed by the forks, all that stuff. So whenever there is a creation of branch, which normally we do, the next thing about merging this to the main branch, where we have to merge this by understanding and replacing different test results, whatever we have and all everything is all something comes under this main merger in the main branch, call that. After this, then we'll be comparing this branches and all everything with the main branches, where we need to suit any kind of changes to be made to the existing one, followed by any kind of test changes to be made. Those test changes can also be made, right? So wherein we can suit the changes and test the suit changes also. So the next one, whenever we are working on this, we can work in on to switch to the branch, where we need to switch the branch. Either we need to understand the current branches. So followed by the kind of active branches, whatever were existed, especially whenever we are working on this element. So next, when we are going from branches to the filtering of the branches, where we have to sort it based on the starting, based on the archive point, whatever we have, followed by this merging of activities, whatever are we performing and all everything will be included in it. So last but not least, we'll be, once the filtering branches and all everything, we have to delete the branch details when and wherever it is not essentially required. All these things will be updated over here. So these are the different branches in reference to the agile testing, which normally one should understand when we are working on the agile part of the application development. This is all about this video. If you have any queries, if you have any questions in regard to that, followed by any kind of training or coaching needs in reference to the agile and agile testing, Scrum, etc., all that, Kanban, etc., all that, please reach out to the contact details, which will be posted in below to this video. Thank you.